favorite time of the day. I'm an early riser, typically up before the sun. Those early hours are the calmest, the quietest, and the coolest on hot summer days. It's when the birds are waking up and filled with song, and the lighting is beautiful as it begins to peek over the ridges. Golden hour. Of course, I'm always excited about my first cup of coffee and what the day ahead will bring. My most creative ideas arise then too. I savor my mornings. Good morning, everyone, from the Eastern Sierra Nevada mountains, aka home. I mentioned in my last video I was going to be heading home just to regroup and process a lot of what was going on in my world, and it's been a good thing. I took a little bit of time off from working. That meant no filming, no editing, and just spending time in nature, just enjoying my home and the peacefulness that is here, and it's really been good for me. I want to first and foremost thank you all who reached out with regards to my dad's passing. I had an unbelievable outpouring of love. It just blew my mind. I had almost 1,000 comments on that video from you all, just sending your well wishes, sending your love, and I felt it. I really did. I wish I could have commented on every single one and responded to every single one, but I just didn't have the time, and I needed to take this time to really just calm my nervous system down. But oh my gosh, it felt like just a big warm hug from you all, and I feel so grateful and thankful to have such an amazing community. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much. Speaking of my community, I wanted to show you something really cool that I got since I've been back home. I received a gift from one of my viewers who I consider a friend, Brad. This beautiful stained glass mountain scene. Oh my gosh. It was his housewarming gift, and it is gorgeous. I think I, exclaimed, wow, when I opened it up, and it is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to find a place to hang it proudly here at my new home. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Brad. You might be able to tell I'm wearing some hiking clothes, and that's because I plan on getting out on a hike this morning. Being in nature has been so healing for me. It's what heals me, and that's what I plan to do today. But before I head out, I'm going to make a quick breakfast. Quick word about the sponsor of today's video, AG1. I'm here taking a break from some cleanup in my little trailer, aka my guest quarters, after having some guests here, and it got me to thinking it's August and summer is winding down. I'm probably not going to have too many more house guests as people are getting back into their routines. They are going back to school, back to work. Summer kind of loosened everything up, but it's time to rebuild my schedule, and AG1 is a non-negotiable that goes in first before new schedules, new goals, new everything. I've been telling you all about AG1 for years now, and that's because it's very important to me. It has made a difference in my life. My gut health has improved. It helps support immunity, and because I work for myself, that's super important. I don't have time for down days, and working for myself also means I'm super busy and I can't think about taking multiple supplements. I have to do what's simple, and there's nothing more simple than 1 scoop of AG1 daily. AG1 with a proper diet meets 94% of nutrient requirements. vitamins. AG1 Next Gen delivers even more essential vitamins and minerals formulated to power your cells for daily function. I definitely notice if I forget to take my AG1 first thing in the morning, I begin to feel sluggish and I definitely don't have that extra pep in my step. But as soon as I take it, all is well. It's funny how my body will tell me when it is time to take my AG1. Superfoods and B vitamins help support steady energy production without the crash. I get that crash after drinking just coffee in the morning, so that is not enough. With summer winding down and schedules getting busy and filling up again, it is more important than ever to take care of your health. If you would like to try AG1 for yourself, head over to my link below, and right now you will get a free flavor sampler along with a bottle of D3K2 for free with your first subscription. And that's in addition to everything else that you get in your welcome kit. Thank you once again to AG1 for sponsoring this video. Now I better get back to cleaning up this trailer. Today's hike will be mostly in the trees because of the heat. It has been about 105 in the Owens Valley every day. And even here right now, it's in the mid 70s at about 9 a.m. So hiking in the trees sounds amazing. So peaceful. Feels good in the shade. I can smell the pines. Wish I could share that smell with you all. Just feels so good to be out here. Better than any medicine. I opened up to you all in a video last year with regards to my struggles with alcoholism over the years, and thankfully, knock on wood, I've been sober since 2007. But I was thinking how prior to 2007, any kind of pain I was in, if there was any kind of turmoil or anything chaotic happening in my life, the answer for me was always alcohol. And it's what I turned to just to numb the pain, to numb out. And it's interesting that after I got sober, I kind of had to relearn how to live. I had to learn how, first of all, I had to learn who I was as a person, because I had no idea who I was as a person prior to that. I was in an alcoholic haze, and I didn't know nature. My idea of a day at the beach was sitting at a bar, looking out onto the beach at all the people riding their bikes or rollerblading or surfing, and I wasn't participating. I was just drinking. And after 2007, it took some time, it took some work on myself, and I finally discovered nature. I first discovered the beach when I was shooting surf photography, and I spent pretty much every hour that I had of free time on the beach. And then eventually I discovered the mountains, and it was all over after that. Oh man, I mean, that was my escape. It still is. That's my medicine. That is what heals me during these times of turmoil, and I'm so thankful for that. I wasn't in an outdoors type family. We didn't do a lot of camping or any camping really. I went camping with some neighbors a couple times as a kid. So everything that I learned about nature and spending time out here happened after I got sober, and I'm so thankful and grateful for that. It showed me who I am, and I learned who I really am in those years, spending time in nature, and what I really enjoy in life and where I want to be. So I don't know, I was just having some thoughts about that. So if you're ailing for any reason, if you're troubled for any reason, I highly recommend spending some time in nature. It's definitely helps. I'm back here at the homestead, and I am just kind of in awe that I can go out on an awesome hike like that, and it's just right here at home. And yeah, right here in my backyard, there is just this amazing playground of outdoor opportunities for me, and I'm just really in a place of gratitude today. It's been just such a peaceful day, and nothing big, no big fireworks or adventures or anything like that, just a very calm and peaceful and relaxing day, and that's just what I need right now. I'm just feeling really grateful for my family, for my friends, for all of you, this amazing community that we have here on the channel. And life is good. It's really good. Things happen, and sometimes it's sad, and sometimes there are, certain things that you've got to deal with that aren't so pleasant, but we can get through it. We can get through it. And doing what I did today is just an example for me of what I can do for myself to get through the not so easy times. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet as I get back into the swing of things, both mentally and physically. And I do appreciate you coming along. I hope that you enjoyed this calm and relaxing video. And don't worry, folks, the adventures are going to keep coming. Thank you for bearing with me through this time. I appreciate you all. I love you all. And I will see you on the next adventure. See you soon, everybody. Bye-bye.